Welcome to Nakuru County, the county of unlimited opportunities.
Welcome to the Biashara Pawa Event 2 Nakuru edition. Today's theme is the power of mentoring in entrepreneurship. So it's not just another conference, it's a movement, and we are here to do several things. So one is to be able to execute these sector-based dialogue events. We are also here to make sure that we profile and amplify the profiles of successful entrepreneurs, women cutting across all the different ages, as well as the youth men.
In Nakuru County, we have many hardworking and innovative entrepreneurs. People have ideas, passion, and willingness to take risks. However, what is often missing is structured guidance on how to turn those ideas into sustainable businesses.
Nakuru Box is an entrepreneurship support organization that supports startups and SMEs through our incubation and acceleration programs. Through the partners that we've garnered so far in the last 6 years, we've been able to support more than 2,500 entrepreneurs, and we've seen great impact among the youth, among women, among SMEs, and also startups here in Nakuru.
The vision behind the Biashara Pawa dialogue series is to amplify the entrepreneurship ecosystem so that it can work so much better for entrepreneurs. We're focusing on mentoring because mentoring is like the hidden driving force behind any successful entrepreneur. And it's so important that an entrepreneur has a credible guide or trusted advisor, and that they're not working this challenging journey of entrepreneurship alone. So when we bring our entrepreneurs together as part of these events and under Biashara Pawa, we really want them to think through how they can find that support that they will need to carry on this entrepreneurship journey.
So mentorship is very, very important, even when it comes to access to finance, not just access to finance, but cutting across all the benefits of being an entrepreneur. So when you look at it from a point of the mentor being able to hold your hand as a gifted person. So for me, I look at it as destiny helpers.
I took on the role of a role model because of my interest in impacting the people around me and the society in general. And I do so by volunteering to teach digital marketing and also to empower the youth and the women in general through mindset coaching.
I was selected as a role model because of the impact that Greencom does in the community. Greencom has been able to partner with the county government of Nakuru and also urban farmers in providing the solution to organic waste, which is a major challenge for the urban authorities. We have also impacted the community in a way that we have made waste a resource. Farmers are able to earn from their waste, and we train the farmers how they can use their waste resource. We train them how they can make their own fertilizer. And in this, we focus on women and youth.
At Mamuza Engineering, we do capacity building at different levels. We have the primary level where we deal with students on primary, high school, and tertiary level. What we mainly teach is robotics, Internet of Things, and generally automation. The reason why I applied to be a role model for Biashara Pawa project is we find that in many cases, young ladies like me find it difficult or are afraid of starting companies, be it in tech or any other field. Why? Because they feel they're either young or it's a male-dominated space, so it's harder for them to navigate. So this is to show young ladies, young men also, that it is possible and it is okay. Just do it afraid.
Craft Mimosa is a company that deals with pure and genuine Kenyan leather goods, including but not limited to shoes, belts, wallets, bags, and now we're even doing institutional footwear such as safety boots, the school shoes, and more. Ideally, we're in the manufacturing space, which is traditionally perceived to be a male-dominated sector, but here we are. We've gotten in, all fit in, and we are making our way out. And it is possible for a woman to actually get into the manufacturing space and make it. So I feel that mentoring those who are coming after us will help them avoid some of the mistakes we did when we were starting out in our business, and they have better leverage in wherever they can start their businesses at.
It is the responsibility of the mentee to seek out for a mentor who fits what they want to achieve.
You must be strategic if you're a mentee. Don't have one mentor. Have a financial mentor. Have a legal mentor. Have someone from the county. County have very good programs. So don't limit yourself to only one mentor.
And if a mentor hurt you before, don't lock your heart and say, I'll never go for a mentor, I'll struggle on my own. Look for another, because now you know what to look for. So go out and look for another so that you shorten your learning curve.
We are looking for opportunities, we are looking for solutions, we are looking for ways to become better entrepreneurs. And you all agree with us that when you are alone, you cannot make it. Your hand has to be lifted. Your feet can walk, but you need somebody to make you walk at the right pace.
I am looking at a future where the green enterprises are respected, they are appreciated, and that people are willing to try out the products that come from this green economy. I'm looking at a future where the financial sector will recognize green entrepreneurs as also real entrepreneurs and curate financial solutions that are able to enable these businesses scale and be sustainable.
In the long term, success means seeing entrepreneurs in Nakuru operating in confident, competitive and sustainable enterprises. We want to see businesses that are profitable, compliant, and are able to scale beyond their local markets. Enterprises that can access finance, supply major buyers, and create stable jobs.
What we expect from now is to still continue working with the entrepreneurs who have attended this event, and also to apply what we've discussed today, because we've talked about mentorship today, and we will see that we are able to mentor the entrepreneurs who've come today and also others who are not able to attend the event today. What we look forward to is that we'll be able to work with our role models, work with the entrepreneurs, see that mentorship is being implemented as we look forward to event 3, which is happening in June. So you are an entrepreneur, tap into the opportunity of getting access to mentorship through Nakuru Box and through our other partners who are in Kisumu, who are in Eldoret, that is Wise Hub and Eldo Hub.